Okay, I got this Arrow 6-pin KIK from Luke's Locks. Lock is real smooth. It is locked up. Here's the bitting. Pretty good bitting. And this lock is if I can get it to focus here, is a Redeye lock. So Redeye pinned this lock. So let's see what Mr. Redeye has in store for us. I believe that was slight turn on 6. I believe that was a little on 3. Bumped, I believe, 4. A little more on 3 and 1. Okay. Deep false set of a 2. Little on 6. And I believe that was 1. Move the vise out of the way. Fix the tripod a little bit. Okay, so we have a key, so it's not a big deal if it locks up. Okay. So, don't think I'll be able to get it out that way, so we'll just do it this way here. Start with the Bible. Alright. We got a spool. I believe they call that a barrel or trampoline type pin. Come on now. Standard. Standard. That's the top. Okay, it's 5 pin. I thought it was 6. It is a 6 pin. Alright, I gotta. Where's my. It's right there. See if I can take the top off here. just enough to push that pin out. There we go. That's a small pin, just standard. I'll fix it. Okay, this spring is doubled. Let's see what the other springs, if I can get them out, look like. So 1 and 2 is threaded. One, 2, and 6 is threaded. It felt like. So not all of them are threaded. Alright. Alright, serrated with a wafer. Standard, 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 and standard. 1, 2, 5, threaded. Well, 2, I believe, is counter milled. It's got a little thread at the top. Alright. Let me move these springs. And there's one still in. It's in there. It's caught up in the thread chamber. Alright, so here are the pins for this arrow KIK. Got a spool, barrel, or trampoline pin, standard, and the ASA type T pin, standard, serrated with the wafer, standard. 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 Standard and standard. Okay. Luke's Locks, thanks for sending me the lock, Redeye. As always, it was a fun lock. So, as usual, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a good one, guys. Thanks. Okay, I'm adding this video to the Arrow KIK 6-pin I got from Luke's Locks, that Redeye pin. And this that I thought was a wafer is actually the tiniest spool I think I have ever seen. So this isn't a wafer, it's a spool. I thought it was a wafer for this #1 key pin until I picked it up and thought, well, that looks funny. But it is, let's see if I can get back out. I think it has to be, come on, focus. I think it has to be the tiniest spool that I have seen since I've started picking locks. But I wanted to put this addition, I guess you would say, on the picking video because, well, because of how small this spool is. Alright, I just wanted to show that. Alright, as usual, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And as always, have a good one, guys. Thanks.